I'm Mr. Greetings in the Divine Emperor Celestial Majesty. It's all about the real music to the new generation without correction. Real music in the game with action. This is the voice of the one Kafilo in the building with a big and brave artist in the Zim dance. So of course we're talking about the one and only Starman in the building alongside the mad producer for the turntable, Decco Real Music Production. You Decco, run the cake with Starman in the building. Kafilo, bring your track.
Make them tiri majaman,
Tiri majaman.
Taiti nizipura, naifuna zitakura. Lama karandiri mundu wazinyutaye, nisosi kama tama nijibukutaye. Taiti nizipura naikuchapayo, asina sikiri kukoro pamtoile. Ayuwa laifi yanitanyira mbonde, ngodai ndoto chakwane chikwe. Taiti nizipura naikuchapayo, asina sikiri kukoro pamtoile. Ayuwa laifi yanitanyira mbonde, ngodai ndoto chakwane chikwe. Like an opportunity, they can take a bushwire basket. Muana, see me is a fake. Must have seen a cotton and get a mistake. Go, Bagurama. The name is only one Gurama. Urimun, Rojimun, Gandama. And goes as a Shanghai. A pilot. I see nothing to go up on toilet. I was like, and it's running on cornet. Go down on the top of the bed. 19 is good and I left with a pilot. I see nothing to go up on toilet. I was like, and it's running on cornet. Go down on the top of the bed.
Wallan, this is Starman 2018 to the new generation without correction, real music in the game with action. Trust me, go up on the YouTube and download the video, the tunes. Subscribe the thing, Decco Beats on the YouTube, and remember to follow us on the Facebook. It's all about real music records and like our page to the fullest. God bless you. Boom.